Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to FedEx Rewards. So let's go ahead and dive into the video right away since the process is quite easy. Launch open a web browser to get started. Once you open up a web browser, inside the URL box type in getrewards.fedex.com and search. Once you get to this page, if you don't have a FedEx Rewards account yet, you can click on Sign Up Now and follow through the instructions. If you are an existing member, click on Already a Rewards Member Login Here link. You will now find yourself in the login page for FedEx. Type in your user ID and then your password in the text boxes and click on the Login button. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to log into your FedEx Rewards account. So that's it for today's video. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.